in the lower part of the abdomen. Now, this is the center from which all the divine work is done. All the pure work is done. So to ask 6 times, because this center has got 6 petals. Mother, please give me pure knowledge. 6 times you just ask. As a result of this asking, the Kundalini starts getting awakened. Now to help the Kundalini rise, you have to cooperate with her. So please put your right hand on the left hand side in the upper part of your abdomen and press it on the stomach. Now here you have to say with full confidence to help the Kundalini to rise. Mother, I am my own master. This you have to say 10 times. These are the 10 commandments which you have to say. That, Mother, I am my own master. Now, 10 times with full confidence. Now, please raise your right hand to your heart. Now, here you have to say, again with full confidence, Mother, I am the Spirit. This is the truth. You are the Spirit. But you have to say with full confidence, Mother, I am the Spirit. This you have to say 12 times. Now one has to know that God Almighty is the ocean of love. But above all, He is the ocean of forgiveness. So He forgives. Whatever wrong you do, He forgives. So don't feel guilty and put your right hand across. On the left hand side, in the corner which is made by your neck and your shoulder. Now here you have to say, again with full confidence, 16 times, Mother, I am not guilty. Please say it. Mother, I am not guilty. 16 times. I am not guilty at all. Please say it. Please say it. Now raise your hand across on your forehead. And it's a very important center. Here you have to say from your heart, Mother, I forgive everyone. Please say it from your heart. How many times is not the point. Mother, I forgive everyone. Now, some would say that it's very difficult to forgive, but it's a myth that we do not forgive or we forgive. We do not do anything in both the cases. But if we don't forgive, then we play into wrong hands. So please say from your heart, Mother, I forgive everyone. Now please take your hand on the back agya, the same center, on the back side of your head and allow your head to rest on it and push it back a little bit. Now here, you have to say, for your satisfaction, because you always feel guilty, that, O Divine, if I have done anything wrong, please forgive me. Please forgive me. From your heart. Stretch your hand fully and put your center of your palm on top of the fontanelle bone area, which was a very soft bone in your childhood. Press it hard. Press hard your scalp. Now you have to move it 7 times, saying one thing, which you have to ask for. Mother, please give us my self-realization, because I cannot force on you. So you have to ask for it. 7 times, press it hard and move it 7 times, very hard. Slowly, saying that.
Now slowly we can take our both the hand on our lap. Our eyes should be closed. Our spinal cord should be upright and straight. And we'll go in a deep meditation state for a few seconds. Now slowly we can open our eyes. धीरे धीरे हम अपनी आंखें खोलेंगे. Let's slowly we can open our eyes. And we can observe our both the palm and top of our head. अपने दोनों हाथों की हथेलियां और सर के ऊपर तालू भाग पे हमें कुछ फील हो रहा है क्या देखना है. Just observe our both the hand and top of our head. Now the last step which we going to do together is raise our right hand, move top of your head like this. Do not touch, keep some distance, move little up, down, left, right, and see if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. So I request you all participant, if you can switch on your video, that will be nice. So we all can do this step together. It may be just for few seconds. If you can switch on this your video, we all can do this step together. Move little up, down, left, right, and see if you can able to feel the cool or hot breeze from your head. So thank you, Jasmine ma'am. I can see you. You are doing perfectly right. Yes, ma'am, perfectly right. Take your right hand back to your lap. Try with the left hand. So see if you can able to feel the thing. Move little up, down. Yeah. Shirish Mane sir, yes, you are doing perfectly right, sir. Thank you for switching on the video. Yes. Now take left hand back to your lap. Again, try with the right hand last time. For few seconds, I will request you all participate. If you can switch on your video, that will be very good. Like this. Move little up, down, left, right. See if you can able to feel a cool or hot breeze. Now, last step, stretch your both the arm toward the sky as much as you can stretch. Stretch as much as you can. Move your head little backside. And here we will ask one question in our heart, Mother, is this the experience of self-realization? क्या यही आत्म साक्षात्कार की अनुभूति है? And slowly we can take our both the hand in front of our heart. We can do namaskar the way we can do namaskar. It's to our internal energy. And slowly we can open our palm like this. धीरे धीरे अपने दोनों हाथों को खोलना है, पास लाना है. Did you feel some energy? So Jasmine ma'am, try. Did you feel? Shirish sir, did you feel some energy? बहुत slow करके देखना, slowly, very. So thank you Shirish sir. I guess you are feeling some energy. What about Jasmine ma'am? Did you feel any energy? Yes, this is the energy which we are saying that once your kundalini is awakened, you can feel a cool or hot breeze. So that is the indication that you are feeling a cool or hot breeze. So thank you for switching on the video. We are very happy that you all are switch on the video for few seconds. Now you can switch off the video. So in a chart, you can tell us like how many people feel a cool breeze or how many people feel a hot breeze. So can you in the chart, can you please post what is your experience? Okay, Bipin sir say really it work. Wow, that is good. What is mean by cool breeze? Yes, we are going to explain you what is mean by cool breeze. So don't worry, maybe in a few minute we are going to explain you what is a cool breeze. I want to hear your experience. Whatever question you have, I request you please post your question maybe in next 2 to 3 minutes and we can start giving answer one by one. So thank you, Bipin sir, you are feeling a hot breeze, very good. Jasmine man, we will going to explain you what is the difference between cool breeze and hot breeze. Meantime, I am posting one feedback form on your chart. So I request you please fill this feedback form. So once you fill the feedback form, you will receive automated email with that will give you today's PPT, some more documentation on Sahaj Yoga and many more. So I posted this feedback form on a chart. I request you all participate. It will take a 1 or 2 minutes plus, but please fill this feedback form. So till the time I can request Ashok Kumar Mishra sir, please share your experience, like how you got the benefit from the Sahaj Yoga, because he is practicing from last 25 years.
Thank you, Chandrakant, and thank you all for attending this marvelous, fantastic and amazing program. मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ, बार बार कुछ वर्ड्स यूज कर रहा हूँ, बट ये इट इज बियॉन्ड दीज वर्ड्स. हम लोग इसको डिस्क्राइब नहीं कर सकते. ये वर्ल्ड में सबसे बड़ी चीज आज आपको मिली है. आप ये जान लीजिए, आपको इससे अच्छी चीज कोई मिल नहीं सकती है फॉर सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट, फॉर लाइफ सेविंग. आपका वो जो थॉट्स आते हैं वो बंद हो जाएंगे, जो कि इम्पॉसिबल है. एंड वी नो पास्ट इज डेड एंड फ्यूचर इज अननोन. तो हम लोग जो पास्ट में चले जाते हैं और फ्यूचर में जाते हैं वो बंद हो जाएगा. आप हमेशा प्रेजेंट में रहेंगे, और आप जब प्रेजेंट में रहेंगे तो जो भी आप काम कर रहे हैं वो नंबर 1 होगा. एम आई राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपको डेडलाइन मीट करना है, वो आप होगा. कोऑपरेशन आप लोगों से, सीनियर एंड जूनियर से मिलेगा आपको. फिर आपके जो प्रॉब्लम आते रहते हैं, दिन पर दिन नए नए प्रॉब्लम आते हैं, उसका आप आराम से सोल्यूशन भी आ जाएगा आपको खाली देखना है. तो ये थॉटलेस स्टेट आपका सब काम करता है. हमको चाइल्ड लाइक इनोसेंट बनना है. जैसे बच्चे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहता ना, वैसे ही हमारा हो जाएगा हालत. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहेगा. विल बी जस्ट सिंपली इंजॉइंग एंड इंजॉइंग. ऐसे ही हमको ये पाना है. और आप लाइफ में बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट कर चुके हैं. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट और करके देखिए, ये ओवरनाइट रिजल्ट आता है. कुछ लोगों को 1 महीने में भी आ सकता है. जैसे जिम में जाते थे 1 महीना तो लगता ही है. तो इस तरह से कोई रिलीजन का कोई संबंध नहीं है. हर एक इंसान में ये क्वालिटी है, और आप बैलेंस में रहेंगे तभी आपका उत्थान होगा. जैसे कि प्लेन है ना, जब वो बैलेंस में होता है तभी वो उड़ता है. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू शेयर माय एक्सपीरियंस. मैं 25 साल से कर रहा हूँ, और मेरे को जो प्रॉब्लम था वो एसिडिटी का एंड स्ट्रेस का बहुत ज़बरदस्त प्रॉब्लम था. तो वो सब चला गया है. एंड नाउ आई एम 70 years old एंड इंजॉइंग लाइफ एज नेवर बिफोर. कुछ खाने में रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, कुछ चीनी में, चाय में, ऐसा कुछ रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. सब मजे से मैं कर रहा हूँ. एंड खाली थोड़ा बहुत वॉकिंग करता हूँ मैं, बाकी ध्यान सुबह 10 मिनट और शाम को 10 मिनट, फिनिश. तो इससे इतने अच्छे रिजल्ट्स मिल जाएंगे. और वो आप डॉक्टर लोग के पास जाकर के, हॉस्पिटल में जाकर के घंटों बैठते हैं हम लोग, और इतना पैसा खर्चा करते हैं, उससे अच्छा 10 मिनट घर में बैठो ना। थैंक यू सो मच। और मैंने अपना नंबर मैं शेयर कर रहा हूँ, किसी को मिरेकल स्टोरीज अगर जानना है तो हमको कांटेक्ट करें। हमारे लाइफ में 25 साल में बहुत सारे मिरेकल स्टोरीज हैं, वो हम आपको शेयर करेंगे, तो आप और भी ज़्यादा मोटिवेट होंगे। थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट, बाय बाय, गुड लक।
Thank you, Dr. Professor Ashok Kumar Mishra, for sharing your wonderful experience. So let me explain you why we feel a hot and why we feel a cool. If you feeling a hot means there is a some kind of imbalance in your left side, that is Ida Nadi, or there is a some kind of imbalance in your right side, that is a Pingla Nadi. If you can able to see the screen, this is our subtle system, which is explained by our colleague Mamta ma'am. So if you are feeling hot on your left side, so that is there is a problem in left sympathetic nervous system. There is some kind of imbalance. If you are feeling a right side hot, there is a problem in the right side. Or if you are feeling a particular finger like hot, for example index finger, so this index finger is mapped to 5 number of chakra. So if there is a problem in your throat chakra, which we call as a Vishuddhi chakra, that is controlling your ear, nose, eyes, and all sensing organ, if there is some kind of problem or some kind of imbalance, you will feel a hotness. So like if you have a sinus problem, ENT problem, anything, it is such a scientific that if you see the 3A area, that is our stomach area, it's we call as a void. If you have a gases problem, you can see you on your center of palm, you will feel a hot. So why this is? Because our all the spinal cord is mapped to our palm, and once this kundalini energy is activated, it try to distribute the equal amount of energy to all our body organ. But wherever there is an open path, it go flow as a cool energy. But wherever there is a blockages, they will try to open that blockages, and in this there is a friction, and you will feel the heat. That is why you feel a heat on your palm, and some people feel a heat, some people feel a cold. So hope this is very clear to everyone. Also we do, this is very introductory session. So in introductory session we cannot tell anything all the thing to you, but there is a foot soak technique, there is a music therapy, there is a chakra and rag on if you play some ragas, your chakra get activated. So every Sunday we used to do meditation on a Zoom, and I have shared the WhatsApp link. If you join that WhatsApp group, you will get the notification. In this notification, you will get the every Sunday's link. And also I posted my number. So if you have any question, you can always reach me. You can always reach Dr. Professor Ashok Kumar Mishra, and also Mamta Chandel. She is from Gujarat. So if any sisters need any help, she can always reach to Mamta ma'am. Any brothers need any help for learning this, you can always reach myself or Professor Ashok Kumar Mishra. So this is how we took the question answer. Now there is an important part. Today we did the meditation, but what is after that? Because after this session we will not be again in touch with you. Maybe for some people it may be, but most of the people it may not be. So what we need to do is, you need to do meditation every day. If you see in your screen, you can see balancing of your left side and balancing of your right side. So how to do meditation at home? You don't need to follow all these 9 steps. This is only once, because it's awaken your kundalini. What you need to do is, you need to balance your left side every day. So keep your left hand on a lap and right hand on a Mother Earth as shown in a screen, and just say, oh Mother Earth, please clear my left side. So we are using a Mother Earth element to balance our left side. Then take our right hand to on our lap and raise our left hand toward the sky, bending from the elbow. And here we need to say, Mother, please balance my right side, or oh God, please balance my right side. Here what we are doing, we are taking an ether element or the sky element to balance our right side. And then we'll keep our both the hand on our lap, we'll close our eyes and we'll meditate for a few minutes. So this is what you need to do every morning 10 minutes whenever you wake up, every night 10 minutes whenever you go for a sleep. So ये बहुत ही जरूरी है. जैसा हम एक पौधा लगाते हैं, अगर हम पौधे को रोज पानी नहीं देंगे तो पौधा मर जाएगा. सिमिलर वे आज आपके अंदर की शक्ति जागृत हुई है, अगर वो शक्ति को रोज आप ध्यान नहीं करोगे तो आपको जो कूल या हॉट सेंसेशन आ रहे हैं वो नहीं आएंगे, आपकी जो रोग प्रतिकार शक्ति है वो नहीं बढ़ेगी, आपका जो कंसंट्रेशन है, मेमोरी पावर है वो नहीं बढ़ेगा। सहयोग का सबसे अच्छा बेनिफिट ये है कि ये पूरी एक साइंटिफिक मेथड है। आप कोई भी डॉक्टर से पूछ लो, ये पूरा साइंटिफिकली एक्सप्लेन कर देंगे। जो आज हमने चक्रास बताए हैं या नाडीज बताए हैं, इसको मेडिकल साइंस में प्लेक्सेस बोलते हैं। जो चक्रा हम बार बार आपको बोल रहे थे उसको मेडिकल साइंस में प्लेक्सेस बोलते हैं। जो जो नाडीज हम आपको बता रहे थे उसको सिंपैथेटिक, लेफ्ट सिंपैथेटिक, राइट सिंपैथेटिक और पैरासिम्पैथेटिक नर्वस सिस्टम बोलते हैं। ये इतना साइंटिफिक है कि अगर आपको कोई भी रोग हो, जैसा गैसेस हो, पेट का प्रॉब्लम हो, कान नाक गले ईएनटी का प्रॉब्लम हो, तो आपको इमीडिएटली उस फिंगर टिप्स पे आपको हॉटनेस फील होगी, उससे आपको पता चलेगा कि आपके बॉडी में क्या प्रॉब्लम है। तो इससे आप खुद के डॉक्टर खुद बन जाते हो। तो ये एक बहुत अच्छा मेथड है सहयोग में। So thank you, Mr. Dashrath sir. Yes, we will definitely send you the PPT on your number. I'm happy that you are practicing Sahaj Yoga. So if you want to share any thought from your side, please go ahead, sir. Mr. Dashrath sir, you want to share anything? Dashrath sir, you want to share anything? Okay. So Mamta ma'am, do you want to add something here? Mamta Chandel?
So like as Chandrakant Bhaiya just said, that today this initiation process has happened, realization has happened, but the most important thing is to start it with just 5 minutes maybe. Do it at your own convenience. Sahaj, the other name for Sahaj is, it's very simple. It's so simple that we all know that how busy these days we are with our job, with so many other things. So please do it at your own time, whenever, in the morning or evening, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but please make it a rule to do it every day.
So we are encouraging all the participants to ask any question if you have. Today, because of time limit, we could not able to explain you the foot soak technique and other information. But if you ask the question specifically, we can explain you. We can share you the foot soak technique, YouTube link and other information. So please feel free, do not hesitate to ask question if you have aging problem, blood pressure, diabetes, or even if your family member is suffering from this kind of problem. So we can tell you the cure. It's a very scientific. If you do it for just 10 days, you will find a tremendous change in your personality. All your health problem will go away. So, but the key is you need to practice regularly. Practice morning, practice evening, and once you do, you will observe this benefit. Okay. So we once again say thanks to any question. We can wait for one.
I want to share my experience. Actually, 1 month. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Yeah, 2 months back, I think I was part of one of the FTP and Chandrakant sir was there. I think emotional intelligence.
Okay.
Okay, so that time I was part. So I was suffering from severe high BP, actually high blood pressure. And that time I asked you, then you told me to do that food soaking technique. But some days I will do, but I was not regularly doing. I was not able to do that. But whenever I am doing, I felt that it is affecting my body and mind. So I think if I do regularly, it will be helpful, I think.
Yes, yes, ma'am. If you do regularly foot soak, I will say all the problem will go away, because same thing. It is for me also. When I joined, I didn't do regularly, but when I started doing regularly, my ENT problem and my digestion problem resolved. And from that time, I thought, okay, why not? This is such a beautiful technique and free of cost. And why should not I attach to this as a social cause? So wherever I get the time, I used to share this knowledge with my friends, circle, family. So thank you, Jasmine sir, Jasmine ma'am, for sharing your experience.
And sir, मैं रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप लोग ये बार बार प्रोग्राम करें, फॉलो अप प्रोग्राम इसके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है so that ये इतना सिंपल चीज है, लोग समझ ले, प्रैक्टिस करने से ही फायदा होने वाला है। समझना तो बहुत इजी है, बट अनलेस अनटिल यू प्रैक्टिस इट, तो हम हैं आपको सपोर्ट करने के लिए। जब भी आप बोलेंगे हम सेशन करेंगे, और तो 6-7 सेशन होने चाहिए प्रैक्टिस के, तो अब देखिए सबका कितना अच्छा रिजल्ट आएगा। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, thank you. Thank you. We want to give a special thanks to the college management team for giving this opportunity. Very special thanks to Shirish Mane sir for inviting us and giving us this beautiful opportunity. Thank you very much, sir. Hope we will be in contact with you again, and we can have some more session in future.
Yes, yes. On behalf of RIT, I would like to thank all three experts, Deora sir, Mumta madam, and Professor Ashok Kumar Mishra sir, for spending their time and delivering such a wonderful session. I'm pretty sure all the participants will definitely benefit from this session. So thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. And definitely we will be in touch. Thank you. Thank you. So with this, we come to an end of our last session. And I would like to request all the participants to take a short break of 15 minutes, and we will have the valedictory session at 4:15. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Have a good.
Thank you.